That's okay. Some of us like it that way. It's early yet? Move along, ma chère. You make the place look crowded.
Open for business.
You managed to get in, didn't you?
Just checking. I didn't want to waste your time, or mine.
Discretion is my middle name. Especially with strangers who just walk in off the street.
How concerned are you with legal niceties?
What concerns me is the police. They ask a lot of questions.
Do you?
If it suits me, I make my own rules. Are you buying or selling?
How much for these?
Do you need any help?
I'm looking for someone. Name of Bouchard.
This is just a herbalist. We stock medicinal potions and herbal extracts.
So he isn't a customer of yours?
A customer? No. Would you like to purchase something?
I'm told there's a story about a doorman in this area. Do you know it?
The doorman is Bouchard's bodyguard.
Find him, and I find Bouchard?
Yes, probably.
What would I need?
I'm afraid I can't help you there.
Okay, thanks anyway. I was impressed by your display of energy herbs.
Ah, very well. What would you like to purchase?
Those herbal preparations are very effective.
Oh, thank you. Do you wish to purchase more?